Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to teach you question and answers of our lesson 3, the tug of war. So children, all of you open your worksheets. Open chapter 3, the tug of war. In our previous class, we have learned hard words and meanings. And in today's class, we are going to learn question and answers. Okay? See the first one. What did Umvandla, Umvundla, what did Umvandla challenge? Challenge, challenge Hippo to do. What did Umvandla challenge Hippo to do, children? See, Umvandla challenged Hippo to do the tug of war. So, Umvandla challenged Hippo to do the tug of war. Second question, how did the tug of war begin? So, how did the tug of war begin? Hippo and Rhino, Hippo, Hippo and Rhino, Rhino were going so fast that they could not Couldn't, that they could not stop. With a tremendous Tremendous, with a tremendous crash, crash, they met head on, they met head on, hurting, hurting each other terribly, terribly. Hippo and Rhino were going so fast that they could not stop. With a tremendous crash, they met head on, hurting each other terribly. In this way, the tug of war began. Third one. When did Hippo and Rhino realize realized that they had been tricked, tricked. When did Hippo and Rhino realize that they have been tricked? See the answer. When they saw Umvandla laughing, laughing so much and went rolling, rolling down the side of the ant hill, the two great animals realized that they have been tricked. So, when Umvandla started laughing and rolling down the side of the ant hill, then Hippo and Rhino realized that they have been tricked. Okay? See the fourth question. What did Umvandla do with the great pretense? Pretence, with a great pretense of concern. So, what did Umvandla do with a great pretense of concern? See, Umvandla warned Rhino of the ants' nest and he pushed the ants in further with a great pretense of concern. So, here Umvandla warned Rhino about the ants' nest and after that he pushed the ants in further with great pretense of concern. In this way, Umvandla do with a great pretense of concern. Okay? See the fifth question. Why is Rhino bad-tempered? Tempered even to this day. So, why is Rhino still bad-tempered even for today? See, to this day, Rhino thinks the little little red ants are still in his ears, ears. So, still Rhino thinks that the red ants are still in his ears. In this way, Rhino had bad temper even for today. Okay? So children, once go through this video 3 times and all of you note down 2 times each question and answers in your homework book. Okay? do this work. Okay children, bye, thank you.